Having trouble with Call of Duty connection timed out? Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your router and modem to refresh your internet connection. Also, make sure your game and console or PC software are updated to the latest version. Step 3. Check the Call of Duty server status online to see if the issue is global. Step 4. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable network. Step 5. Restart your console or PC and relaunch the game. Also, clear your game cache on console, fully power down and unplug. On PC, delete temporary files. Step 7. If you use VPN, try turning it off or switch servers to a closer region. Step 9. If nothing works, reinstall the game or contact Activision support. And that's it. Follow these steps to fix Call of Duty connection timed out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.